Hey everyone, welcome back to Immersive Mediums 101. I am Sharon. In the previous videos, we explored XR in e-commerce and XR in real estate. Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting XR-powered marketing campaigns. With that said, let's start with Burger King's Burn That Ad campaign. This campaign was launched in Brazil, where Burger King used AR to engage customers by allowing them to burn their competitors' ads like McDonald's using their phone. Once the ad was burned, a Burger King ad would appear and users were rewarded with a free Whopper. This creative and fun interaction kept users hooked and coming back for more. Well, the result? A 400% increase in app downloads, 54.6% increase in sales, and 1 billion impressions. With high user engagement as people eagerly participated in the interactive experience and burnt 400,000 ads. Let's try and understand the technology behind it. The campaign used augmented reality. By recognizing competitor ads through the phone's camera, the app activated the AR effect, allowing users to interact with and burn the ads. This seamless integration created a fun and gamified experience while driving both app downloads and foot traffic to stores. Let's talk about the New York Times' The Displaced VR series. They use virtual reality to bring attention to the stories of displaced people all around the world. Through VR, users could immerse themselves in the real-life experiences of refugees and gain a deeper understanding of their struggles. The results were profound. The series earned global recognition, reaching millions of viewers and winning several prestigious awards. It elevated the New York Times brand perception, reinforcing its commitment to impactful journalism and attracting more subscribers interested in immersive and socially conscious content. Now let's try and understand the technology behind it. The campaign was powered by VR technology, which allowed the New York Times to create a deeply immersive, empathetic experience for viewers. By leveraging VR headsets, they transported the users into the heart of the stories, giving them a unique first-hand perspective that traditional media simply couldn't match. Adidas and Gucci both use XR campaigns to enhance their marketing strategies, driving engagement in unique ways. Gucci leveraged Snapchat's AR filters for their virtual try-on feature, letting users virtually try on sneakers, enhancing engagement and direct purchases through the app. Now let's try and understand the technology behind it. Gucci's Snapchat campaign tapped into AR filters for a seamless shopping experience directly through the app. Up next is Volvo's innovative XC90 virtual test drive. Volvo offered a VR experience that lets customers virtually test drive the XC90 SUV, exploring the vehicle's features and scenic drive as if they were in the car. The result? Volvo reported a significant increase in customer interest, with the VR experience leading to a higher number of pre-orders for the XC90 model before it even arrived in dealerships. Now let's try and understand the technology behind it. Volvo's XC90 VR experience used the basic Google Cardboard, but today's XR technology has advanced significantly. Over the years, XR systems have become more affordable, accessible, and immersive. For instance, at Ctruh, we've already cut development and deployment time in half with our proprietary 3D engine, which is also the world's first no-code and low-code 3D engine, making XR experiences advanced, faster, and more efficient. As XR technology continues to evolve, we'll see even more innovative campaigns pushing the boundaries of what's possible. XR technology has proven its power in marketing. If you're excited to see more brands leverage XR in their campaigns, be sure to check out the blog. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed exploring these case studies, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join our Discord to keep the conversation going. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.